Now, I don't know why, but builders tend to miss kickout flashings right here. Little L-shaped piece goes down in the bottom corner, directs water into the gutter. Because without it, water can get behind the siding, can rot it out. You'll never know that it's rotted out over there. And I'll show you down there at the bottom. Because it's right here at the bottom. This is where that L-shaped piece should go. Because with the gap in the siding there, water drains. You never see it, but you can see it on the bottom where it's coming out behind the siding. So there's a good possibility of this siding or the sheathing behind it's all rotted out. And all it takes is a little L-shaped piece up there, and that'll prevent it.